Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of Excel aptitude, in which we test our knowledge of Excel, and uh, solve. We present certain questions with multiple choices using this simple database. We have this database with us, and in which we uh, we mention all the chapters, and within one chapter there are multiple questions. Each question has the answer, and the choices are listed, right? And using this straightforward table, the VBA allows you to select the chapter, and then you can proceed to your you can attempt the questions, right? So in this series of uh, multiple choices, we have this Excel aptitude chapter, right? So you will find Excel aptitude in here, and uh, you will double click to proceed to the next question. So we have all, in our previous videos, we have been solving all these. These all have been attempted, and we have shown you the solution. So our today's question is and about this one, right? This is a uh, expression, and which should resolve 5, right? So what is the value of x so that this equation gets tallied? So the the both sides of the equal equation become equal, means this should become 5. The 5 is equal to 5. Okay, so will which of these values would be suitable for it? Okay, so we show you how to use Excel to do all these things, right? So let's Control C. Let's copy it in here, and we go to a new sheet. Let's take the new sheet, and we put the image of this so that we have it in front of us. And we say, so as you can see that we have two things. One is root of x. X is unknown, and then 16, and the entire root of all these expressions. So first step is the 16, of course, right? 16, nothing to do with that, okay? The next is x, okay? So we highlight that this is x, okay? And we have to solve the 16 plus x in here, okay? Root of 16 plus root of x in here, okay? So how would we do? We will put an equal to sign in here, and we will say this, right? Plus, sorry. Hmm. What the square root of sqrt, square root of what? The square root of this x, which is not known. Okay, and then what we do, that's it. Okay, so this is the phase one of the solution, that we will get some value in it, and the square root of this entire should be 5, right? So okay, we click it here. So just to make it readable for the viewers, right? We copy this formula. This is an action, and what it is doing this. Okay. Okay. The next is we need the square root of all this. Okay. Here we are going to the square root of all this. That is sqrt, and then we start this and this entire thing within the square root. Okay. So how do we do this? Simple is that when we have this, so we will do equal to square root. Yeah. Instead of writing all these things, we do not need to write everything here. All we need to do is this, the square root of this, right? So, so without having a value, it is coming as as a 4. What? Okay, square root of d2. D2 is unknown. It is 0, right? And added into 16, and then the entire, and so it is actually they're making the square root of only 16 at the moment. Okay, so what should be the value in here in x, so that this gets 5. So we have to use the goal seek. We will go to the goal seek and we will delegate this job to goal seek to do it for us. We set this cell. Set cell is this cell to the value of what? To the value of 5. By changing what? By changing the value of x, right? That's it. So as soon as we do this, so this is the solution. And let's make it like this. So 80.97 is the right answer. 80.97 is the value of x. Then it will resolve to the value of 5, right? So let's see. Is there any 80.97? Yes, this is 80.97. And we click in here so that we get the full marks. That is right. Okay, so this is a wonderful way of teaching the arithmetics and using the Excel functionalities. And one should know how to break the equations. We have learned so many things. So while doing this solution, we have learned a lot that the pictures are lookupable. What this mechanism, the VBA is doing, it is actually looking up the picture, right? The VBA program is available in the view code. You can go and see this, okay? So it gets the picture stored in the database. Where is that picture, by the way? It is located here. Yeah, this is the picture. Okay, so this picture not only gets looked up, but also it's resized and its height and width is changed so that it looks good looking and it is readable to the viewers. First thing it is this, and then the VBA is examining your response and giving you yes or no, right? If you click something wrong, so it will say no, wrong, no, no, only this will be yes. Okay, why? Because the question number is looked up and the answer is written in this row. If you see, the question is looked up and the answer is any answer from this, if it matches this answer, and this is column number D, right? So if it matches this, so it gives you the yes, otherwise it says no. Okay, so this was our presentation for how you can use Excel to do the arithmetics and algebra and trigonometry, and you can do plenty of things. Okay, so this is Excel aptitude. Thank you very much for watching.